Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. You guys are well aware that we are in a season of our lives where everything is super expensive. And it just brings me back to a time in my youth where my parents and grandparents were very resourceful when it came to food. Nothing, absolutely nothing went to waste. So I found myself recently making a wellness shot. And when I looked at the leaves of the beet that I used in that wellness shot, the thing that came to mind was, can we eat that? And of course, I went to Google because, Google is a friend, and I looked it up. And the answer was absolutely, positively, yes. It has so many health benefits, lots of nutrients in it, and you can definitely eat it. So you guys, we are going to look at these leaves. I mean, when you look at them, you absolutely want to dive in because they are just so beautiful. They're firm. This color is rich in the green and this purple. So you guys, without further ado, come in close and I am going to show you how we are going to take these beautiful beet leaves and we are going to make a cold salad. Coming up next. Okay guys, I did do some prep work. So one of the first things I did was I took these leaves and I cleansed them thoroughly in a bath of cold water along with some baking soda. And I just kept rinsing them just to make sure that there was no dirt. Obviously, these came from the ground, just to make sure that they were clear of any dirt. Kept changing the water until such time the water ran clear. All right, so that's one of the things that I did. Another thing that I did is I went ahead and I sliced some red onions. I rinsed some strawberries because this is going to be one of the ingredients I'm going to put into my salad. I took some of the stems, of these leaves and I chopped them up, and then I put them into a mixture of red wine vinegar along with some orange zest and a little bit of the juice, a little bit of salt, and I put the stems in there, to give them more of a pickle effect. All right, so I did that. And then lastly, what I did is I took the actual beet itself, put it in some water along with some fresh ginger, salt, and pepper, and I cooked it for about 45 minutes so that the beet became nice and tender. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and take some of these leaves and cut them up that I'm gonna use for my salad. And then after we do that, I'm gonna make the vinaigrette and it will be time to put all of this together. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and take this bunch of leaves and we are going to cut them into bite-sized pieces after I cut off the stem. All right, you guys, so now we have the leaves for our salad. Next thing we're gonna do is make the vinaigrette. Okay, for our vinaigrette, we're gonna start with some avocado oil. And then to it, we are going to add some red wine vinegar. Some mustard. And some sugar-free maple syrup. All right, guys, and that's it. So either you put it in a blender, you give it a whisk, you give it a shake. You just want to make sure that everything is well combined. And as you can see, this is a really creamy dressing. Let's just give it a taste. Just a little bit more maple. Now this is ready. Time to assemble the salad. Okay, let's cut up some strawberries. Stem off. And go ahead and give these a slice. All right, guys, these are ready. Let's go ahead and put them aside until we get the beet sliced. And time to slice this beet. All right. Now these are ready. Okay, let's go ahead and put all of this deliciousness together. Okay, we are going to add in our pickled beet leaf stems. And go ahead and add in that juice as well. Red onions, our strawberries, and our beets. And look how beautiful that is, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to add in our vinaigrette. I'm gonna give this a toss. And this is ready to serve. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. We have got ourselves a beet leaf salad. And it looks and it smells phenomenal. Nothing left to do but to give it a taste. Lord, I thank you. Perfect bite. It's everything on this fork. I've got the leaf, I've got the cheese, onion, strawberry, and I've got a piece of beet. You guys, I have just found myself another salad that is going to go on top of my summer salad menu. Phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal is this. I have to tell you, the next time you find yourself wondering, can I eat this? Go out to Google and search for it, because chances are the answer will be absolutely, positively yes. And this is proof of exactly this. You guys, give this a try. When you do, leave in your comments, let everybody know that this thing is absolutely delicious. And on another note, this is a cold salad, but you can also take these leaves and you can saute them as well. And I'm already thinking in my mind that probably some onions and some garlic and some herbs and spices with that will be absolutely delicious. You guys, remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. Remember to give this video a like and a share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing that as well by pressing that subscribe button below. And one other thing, you guys, I almost forgot to tell you. Again, not wasting anything. So these stems from these leaves, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these up. I am going to pickle them. I'm going to jar them. So that way they will be ready whenever I make my next salad. So you guys, remember to keep growing, to keep thriving, to keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy.